The mole is a measurement of the amount of a substance, and if you have 1 mole of any substance, it has the same number of particles as Avogadro's constant. Avogadro's constant is 6.02 times 10 to the 23 per mole. So that's the number of particles in 1 mole of a substance. The particles mentioned in this definition can be atoms, molecules, ions, and even electrons. 1 mole of any substance also has the same mass in grams as its own relative atomic mass or relative formula mass. So what that means is if you had 1 mole of carbon, for example, it would have a mass of 12 grams because that's the relative atomic mass of carbon in the periodic table. If we looked at water as another example, it's H2O and its MR is 1 plus 1 plus 16. So that gives 18, which means that 1 mole of water would always have a mass of 18 grams. You can find the number of moles of any substance by using the formula moles is equal to mass over MR. So for example, if you needed to find the number of moles in 32 grams of methane, which is CH4, you would first find the MR of CH4 by doing 12 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, and that gives an MR of 16. Next, you can sub it into the equation to give 32 divided by 16 to give a final answer of 2 moles. Here's some more examples of these that you can try to practice with. If you were asked to find the mass from moles, you would need to rearrange the equation to give mass is equal to moles times MR. So as an example, if we wanted to find the mass of 3.5 moles of ammonia, which is NH3, you would first find the MR of ammonia. So that would be 14 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, and that gives an MR of 17. Now subbing this into the rearranged equation, you would multiply 3.5 by 17 to give a final answer of 59.5 grams. Now here are some more examples that you can use to practice these. Okay, now let's try a quiz on this topic. See how many questions you can get right. If you liked that video and want to see more, remember to subscribe to Flash Revision Lab to get notified every time we release new content.